it's Presley at ActOutGames.com here, and today I'm going to be doing the Hour of Code on Scratch. So Scratch is one of the easy interfaces where you just drag blocks and it codes things. So I have a lot of familiarity with Scratch. I've been using it for a couple years now, so I might I'm going to say everything that I'm doing in my own words instead of following the instructions words. So really sorry if that bothers you. So let's begin, and we're going to be animating our name. Click here to start. All right, let's do this. So first, we need to get rid of ScratchCat. That's the first thing I do in all of my projects is I get rid of ScratchCat. I don't need them. They're usually not in any of my projects, unless I'm making a recolor of ScratchCat or drawing ScratchCat myself. So let's click on the scissors tool, and then we're going to drag it over to ScratchCat, click on them, and then they will be gone. Poof, gone. Now we're going to use the Sprite Library to get our letters. Usually I will draw my own letters. I will show you how I do that after we animate the name, because, yeah. So let's use the pixels, because I like using the pixels. They're quite small, so I'm going to make them go larger. Whoa, okay. So, here's our first letter, P. We're going to be doing my real name, Presley. Okay, next we add color effects. So we're just going to do it when it's clicked. So we're going to get change color effect by 25 when the sprite is clicked. So when the sprite is clicked, change color by effect by 25. Pretty obvious here. When you click it, it changes its color. Okay. Next. Ooh, we get to add a sound. The sounds library in Scratch is very entertaining, to say the least. So we're going to make it play. We're probably going to make it, I don't know which sound we're going to make it play, but they're all very interesting. That one's not that bad. Where's eggs? I just want to show you eggs. I really like the way eggs sounds, but it's called eggs. Wait, no. Eggs, I kind of like it. It's useful sometimes, but it's called eggs. There's a lot of very strange sounds. We're going to use something short for this, so let's just do sorry, I take a long time when I do this. No. Sorry. These are sometimes too strange. Should I make it? Let's do soup. They used soup here, so now we go to scripts, sounds, play sound, soup. So we'll do this, and it will go. When I click on it, it will make a sound when I change its color. And next we will add a backdrop. Backdrops. Sometimes I can draw my own backdrop. They have this editor here, so I might make it black or orange and black gradient. We're gonna use one of the backgrounds from here for now. And I might change it at the end. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's do that. And then now add our next letter. Whoa, oh, yay. Okay, so this time it's gonna let us draw it. So I can draw things. My name is not Pn. I think I was doing Anna. So choose a letter. No, we're going to draw our next letter. Okay, so let's just get that out of the way for now. And let's make it blue. Let's see, what's a good color to do with this? That's this, and then R. Whoa, it's a lot larger. Make it smaller. I kind of like pixel looking stuff. So, I'm just going to show you how I will do, I'll do a pixel one, and I'll show you how I do that. So, line tool, very helpful. Line, there. That's my letter. So, I'm going to try and change fonts a little bit here. So I can make like some of it chosen from the library, some of it like my handwriting, some of it in my not very good cursive. But yeah. Now let's just resize this in the costume editor because it's being problematic. Okay. Whoop. And there. Purr. So purr. Now let's bring this back. Alright. Okay, I drew my letter. Now we're gonna make it spin. Woo, let's do that. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, we're gonna make it spin this time. So, what we're gonna do is repeat 10. Sorry, I'm getting really excited. I like making things spin. Repeat 10. So, make to do this 10 times. We're going to turn 15 degrees. So, I'm not gonna do it right now because I need to add, because it's gonna. And then we're going to do when the sprite click to make it play a sound and turn. This is gonna be very fun. So when this sprite clicks, let's get ourselves a sound. Nope, no, don't upload it from a file. Let's do this. So we are going to put chord, and then this is very fun to do. Woo! Make it right side up again. Need to make it right side up again. Turn 1 degrees. Let's do 5 degrees just to make it faster. Okay, fine. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Whee! Slowly but surely. Yay! It's up. Not entirely. There. Purr. And then, oh, yeah. Let's point. And then there's also a quick way to do it, which is just that. I forgot that you could do that, so I'm actually remembering things now. Now we're ready to animate the rest of the letters in my name. Choose or draw the letters using the new sprite buttons. Here's some scripts to try. So we can make it grow and shrink. We can make it move around. We're gonna do all sorts of stuff here. So now I have the freedom to mess around. Yes. Okay. So we're going to do another pixel one from the library. Where is it? Letters. Pixel R. No, Pixel E. Not Presley. Presley. And then let's make this larger. Yeah, go be. Okay, let's make this larger. And, ooh, this is vector. Nice. Okay. Large. Let's make this one larger, actually. Boom. Yeah. Okay, and then let's make this a 4. So as you can see, you're gonna make a lot of changes that you weren't planning on, doing originally. So let's see what we can make this one do. Let's do when this sprite clicked forever. Change color effect by 1. I hope this one hurt someone. I hope this one hurt someone's eyes, but it's a nice gradient from one color to the other. So I was actually thinking I was going to make a different background, but I actually quite like this one, so I'm going to keep it. Turn that off. Okay. Now let's paint another sprite. Let's do our line tool. Let's do an nice S. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Whoops. Smaller. S. Let's make this, let's see. Oh, we can make it move. Let's, I can probably, like, actually animate it. Scratch is mainly my main animating tool. So I'm kind of gonna make, like, an actual little animation with this. So animations do take a long time. I'm going to try and make one really quickly. Of just it fading to pink. And then fading back. I have a cheat when fading stuff back. But they usually take quite a while if you're making something complex. So don't. I usually do it pretty quickly because I've been doing it for a while. But don't feel bad if your animations on here take a while. So how I animate. Start with this costume, duplicate it, make it move a little bit, and then continue doing that until I'm finished doing whatever I need. the sprite to do. So yeah, so I'm not going to go super duper in depth and show you everything that Scratch can do because that would be a really long video. But I just want to sample some of the things that you can do on Scratch, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it for anyone that wants to get into programming, animation, or just wants to mess around and make something. I've done simple things from a monster that says a random number to a breeding simulator that actually passes down proper genes. So the first project I ever made, I think was an audio recording of myself and then a cat that just had a frame of her mouth closed and a frame of her mouth open. And went like this forever. And it played an audio recording of me, like a 6-year-old me. The voice is really high and really annoying, and I have a really Mary Sue OC that's been animated. So yeah, it's half funny and half ridiculously cringy to go back and look at my old Scratch projects. So I finished this little S, and then my cheat for making stuff go back is just go back and duplicate all the sprites that you just duplicate and duplicate and duplicate until everything's duplicated. And then comes the testing of your animation. I'm gonna make this go a little bit faster when it turns back, so it's not gonna have every single sprite. Yeah, there you go. So, oh, you duplicate them backwards, by the way. Don't duplicate them don't make a mistake like I just did. You duplicate them backwards, and then so it fades back to what you did. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, okay. So slowly but surely you will progress and you will get a lot better at animation and whatever you're trying to do on Scratch, whether it be coding or animation. I think I came for animation. No, I originally came for coding, and then I faded into animation, and then I faded back to coding. So yeah, there's all sorts of things you can do, and I can't show you everything, but trust me, it's really entertaining. So now, when green flag clicked, how many costumes do? 24. So set costume is costume 1. When this sprite clicked, repeat, I think we have 24? Yes, 20. Repeat 23 so it doesn't go back. Repeat 23. Wait 0.1 seconds. Next costume. So so this is all pretty self-explanatory. It'll go to the first costume, and then it will 23 times it will switch to the next costume, and it will wait 0.1 seconds because it goes really fast otherwise. So now let's press green flag, and it fades back. And yeah, that's a very simple animation that I decided to do for S. L, we don't paint L. We get L from the gallery. So, L, 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 ba, ba, L. Letters, haha. Pixel, L. Presley, tiny little L. Presley, L, press, L. Let's make our L. Let's make our L. What shall our L do? Ooh, we can make our L draw. Let's do that. Give that click, set pin color to that, and then when this sprite clicked, pin down, and glide. Ooh, we're gonna go here also. Glide 1 sec to. This time let's do X. Random 1 to 10, random 1 to 10, and then glide back to go back to where it is, and then where's the eraser? Clear. So whoop, whoop. So yeah, you can actually set the pin color to a different color. Let's do set pin color to that color. That will look purple. Oh, yes. Change pin shade by 10 also. So, this very quick. Change pin shade by 10. To do it. This should do it. Woo! Let's actually have it repeat, like, 50. Alright. PRESL. Let's do our E. 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 We can play sound. Sound. Crickets and wait. Say. So what I'm doing right now is actually something interesting. Is I'm using this join to say things. So it'll ask you what's your name, and then it'll say hello answer. So if we go, so we're just gonna have it do that. We're not gonna have it play the sound. So click on it. Oh, one green flag clicked. So whoops, I used the wrong thing. So what I'm doing here is actually it's gonna ask what's your name, and then what you put as the answer. It'll say hello, and then what you put as the answer. So I'm gonna click on it, and it'll say what's your name. Presley. Hello, Presley. Whoops, there's not a space. So let's add a space using these join keys. So this will blend all the things together. Click on it. What's your name? Presley. Hello, Presley. So you can do really fun things with that. You can program chatbots and things like that. But that's all. But we can't. So you can get into super complicated things just dragging blocks around. It's crazy what you can do. And what? And then make this larger. And then this will go. Let's have it move. 50 steps. And then when the sprite clicked, move. So this will just make it go back and forth. So let's make it play this sound also. So this is what it will do. So this one will play pop. Okay, so here's our whole name. So we've animated our whole name, and we've made them all do different things. This one changes color and plays a noise. This one spins when you click on it. This one changes color also. This one animates going pink and then back. This one moves and draws a little line, then it disappears. This one asks what's your name, and then you answer, and then it'll say hello. And this one just plays a simple sound. So you can do all sorts of other things. I just didn't want to go. Obviously, I can't show you everything I can do, especially just with every character in my name. But trust me, get an account and mess around, and it will be really, really fun once you start to know what you're doing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!